Welcome to 300 East Providencia, Unit 107, Burbank, California. I'm gonna show you the unit here. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with a lot of features. We have here the living room area, which connects to a sliding door outside to the balcony. And we have the kitchen dining area, a little small dining area, and we have the kitchen upgraded with granite countertops. We have a washer and dryer in the unit, a lot of natural light as coming in. This is the bedroom. We have, high ceilings, 16 by 12 feet, and this is the bedroom bathroom here. And we go out here. We have little closet area right here for coat hanger right there. And then we have the master here, a lot of natural light. We have a sliding door, French door to the balcony from the master area. We have the master bathroom here. And this complex built in 2002, low HOA, 307, 2 parking right under the garage, a lot of amenities. It's in downtown Burbank area, near Trader Joe's, Tesla, Ralph's, IKEA, walking distance, and it's listed for $639. If you guys are interested, let me know. My contacts are below. All right.